Hey guys, welcome back to Timeless Tales English. I'm Emma.
And I'm Daniel. What's going on, everybody? Grab your coffee, your tea, your snack, whatever you've got, and hang out with us for a bit.
Yes, this is your chill English time. No pressure, just real American conversation.
Exactly. And today, we're talking about real life, the small stuff, the awkward stuff, the everyday habits that secretly shape everything.
The tiny moments that don't look important, but kinda are.
Yeah, because let's be honest, life isn't made of huge, dramatic movie scenes.
It's more like spilled coffee, missed alarms, random laughs, and trying again tomorrow. Okay, let me start with this. When your alarm goes off in the morning, are you peaceful or are you fighting for your life?
Fighting, negotiating, bargaining. 5 more minutes is my favorite lie.
Same. But recently I've been trying something different. Instead of instantly grabbing my phone, I just sit there for a second.
In silence?
Yeah, just breathing, letting my brain wake up naturally.
That sounds mature.
I know, I shocked myself too.
What difference does it make?
It feels less chaotic, like I'm choosing to start the day instead of reacting to it.
That's powerful, actually.
And then, coffee.
Ah, yes, the real motivation.
But it's not just caffeine, it's the ritual, the smell, the warm mug, that first quiet sip.
It's like telling yourself, okay, we've got this.
Exactly. That tiny moment, that's joy. Small, simple, real.
Let's talk about breakfast, because if I skip it, I turn into a villain.
You get dramatic.
I get hangry, and I don't even realize it.
Food affects mood way more than we admit.
Totally. When I actually eat something solid, eggs, toast, fruit, my whole morning feels smoother.
It's such a basic habit, but small consistency wins.
That's the theme of today, honestly. Small consistency.
Okay, confession. If I sit too long, my brain turns into static.
Same. That's why I started taking short walks.
Like workout walks?
No, just normal human walking. Around the block, no pressure.
I love that. And you notice things.
Yeah, kids playing, dogs being chaotic, random clouds that look dramatic.
Life happening.
Exactly. And suddenly your problems feel smaller.
Okay, speaking of life happening, tell them about your cleaning disaster.
Oh no.
Yes.
All right. So I decided to organize my life. Clean desk, fresh start, very productive energy.
Already dangerous.
I start throwing things away like a hero. Papers, receipts, old notes, very focused.
And?
And I threw away my coworker's lunch.
You what?
It looked like trash. It was in a plain container.
So at lunchtime,
He opens the fridge, no lunch, looks confused. I slowly realize what I've done.
that's brutal.
I bought him tacos. We laughed, but wow, humbling experience.
See? Small fail, big story.
Okay, your turn. Photography class.
Why do you remember everything?
Because it's good content.
Fine. So I'm trying to get the perfect picture downtown. I step back dramatically for the angle,
Oh no.
straight into a public trash bin.
Did it fall?
Yes, loud crash, trash everywhere, people staring.
That's iconic.
It was horrifying.
But now we're laughing.
Exactly, that's the point.
You know what makes small moments better?
What?
Music while doing chores.
Yes.
Cleaning the kitchen becomes a concert. Laundry becomes a dance break.
It's not about eliminating boring tasks, it's about upgrading the experience.
That's deep for doing dishes.
Let's talk about tiny human connections.
Like saying hi?
To strangers?
To neighbors, to the barista, to the cashier.
Those tiny interactions matter.
They really do. A quick smile can change your mood instantly.
And theirs, too. Now, evenings. This is where people lose control.
You mean scrolling for an hour without realizing?
Exactly.
Guilty.
I started putting my phone away before bed. Not perfect, but better.
What do you do instead?
Hot shower, quiet music, sometimes reading. Just slowing down intentionally.
That transition matters. It tells your brain the day is done.
Before sleeping, I think of 3 small good things.
Even on chaotic days?
especially on chaotic days.
What kind of things?
Maybe someone texted me something funny. Maybe the sunset looked amazing. Maybe I handled stress better than usual.
That shifts focus from what went wrong to what went right.
Exactly.
So here's the big idea.
Happiness isn't hiding in some massive life upgrade.
It's in tiny daily decisions.
Drink water, take a walk, laugh at your mistakes.
Buy tacos when you accidentally throw away someone's lunch.
Please don't do that.
No promises.
But seriously, small habits, small joy, small forgiveness equals big difference over time.
And awkward moments become stories.
All right, your turn.
Tell us in the comments, what's one small thing that makes your day better?
Coffee ritual? Music? A short walk? Talking to your mom?
We read your comments. They actually make our day.
And if you enjoyed hanging out with us, hit like and subscribe to Timeless Tales English.
Practice your English, build better habits, laugh at life.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Take care, everyone.
Bye!